Welcome to our channel, where we're about to unveil the art of the 10-minute makeup routine, perfect for those rushed mornings and busy days. With our expert tips, you'll achieve a polished and radiant look without spending hours in front of the mirror. We kick off our routine with a light, multitasking foundation that blends seamlessly into the skin, providing a smooth and natural base. By focusing on problem areas and imperfections, we create an even complexion that looks fresh and dewy, without feeling heavy or caked. Moving on to the cheeks, a gentle touch of peachy or rosy blush adds a healthy flush to the face. By applying it to the apples of the cheeks and blending outward, we create a subtle warmth that enhances our natural features, giving a youthful and vibrant appearance. Now, let's turn our attention to the eyes. With a neutral eyeshadow palette, we choose soft, complementary shades to enhance the eyes without overwhelming them. Applying a base color across the lid, followed by a slightly darker shade in the crease, helps to create dimension and depth. Remember, blending is key to achieving a seamless, effortless look. For a quick yet impactful eye-enhancing effect, a stroke of mascara is essential. By applying a lengthening or volumizing formula to the upper lashes, we instantly open up the eyes, making them appear more awake and defined. No makeup routine is complete without a touch of lip color. Opt for a natural shade that enhances your lips' natural tone, and with a swift swipe of a tinted balm or lipstick, you can achieve a polished and put-together pout. To seal the deal, a setting spray is our final secret weapon. A few spritzes ensure that our makeup stays in place throughout the day, providing a fresh and radiant look that lasts. And there you have it, a 10-minute makeup routine that's perfect for any busy day. With these simple yet effective steps, you can achieve a natural and glowing look that enhances your unique beauty, leaving you ready to take on the day with confidence and grace. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time with more beauty tips and tricks.